Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is our morning routine.
Oh God.
And
It's nighttime right now, but yeah.
tomorrow is the morning routine. So
Yeah, stay tuned.
bye.
We're gonna turn off the video and then
Yeah.
bye. So bye.
Hey guys, so it's morning time and Aubrey is still asleep. And now it's time to wake her up because we need to do our morning routine. Aubrey,
What?
wake up. We gotta do our
Oh.
morning routine. So let's get
That was
up.
a great start to my morning.
I know. So yeah, let's wake up. Just get up. We just get right up.
Okay. Now, you've probably seen her morning routine before a bunch of times.
Yep. Maybe.
Probably not
No.
even once. So we wake up. Get out of bed.
Very sunny outside today.
Look. Literally. It's very sunny.
So,
Yeah.
get up. And
This is in our really closet. This is Mackenzie's closet and room. But
it's mine right now.
yeah, now it's Emily's room.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we're gonna clean up the room a little bit because we did make a big mess last night. Well, I guess it's not really messy. So I don't have to clean. We don't have to clean it now. So now we're gonna go upstairs. Now we're gonna go downstairs.
So yeah, let's
Be
go down.
quiet. Let's be quiet.
And people already made breakfast. So yeah.
Sorry, the camera just turned off first. Let's go.
What?
Bye. Audrey needs you. Or come on, come outside. Why? I don't know. I was going to just get this it's for you guys.
Here, did you?
Okay.
Now.
I'm
What?
gonna go take the top off that.
I will.
Shoes, socks, or shoes at least. Go. Both of you go.
I will. Okay, so I'm getting my Crocs on, and they're outside already. And we're going. This is not even our normal morning, but apparently we're waking up first thing and then going out to help. So here's the camera.
Let's go.
I think we're helping building the fire.
Open your eyes.
So, yeah.
Look around. Move things.
I think we're helping with the fire.
Josh.
Yeah?
Josh.
Yeah?
Did I say you go get a lighter?
No.
No, you didn't. No. Where's that rake?
Right here.
Grab the rake. Did Josh find that for you? Or
No, I found it.
All right.
Okay, we'll see you guys after. Yeah, we're waking up first thing and starting a fire, so see you later.
Okay guys, so we're gonna make a fire this morning.
It's too early.
Yeah, it's too early to make a fire. It's only like 10 something though, so but still too early. It's very hot out
He's
here.
picking the leaves. And one of them, I think, still. So
Yeah, so we're just gonna go inside for a little bit and do our morning routine. So let's go. Come on. Okay, so yeah, they don't need us.
so just ignore that and pretend that never happened because that's not part of our morning.
Okay, let's make the thumbnail. Let's do the thumbnail, and for the top of the picture, we'll do it in the bed since it's our morning routine. But
My shoes are off downstairs.
okay, it's fine. Let's run. Okay, so let's make the thumbnail real quick.
Where did you see
What was that? Okay, so we just got done doing.
Hair is crazy,
Yeah.
but whatever. Who cares?
Yeah, we just got done doing our yard work and stuff, and we had s'mores for some reason. But
With
it was,
the fire, and it was super duper hot. Like,
yeah, I kept on
let's just pretend that never happened because, that wasn't really part of our morning routine.
So let's just pretend that didn't happen.
It's like 11 right now, so we spent like,
An hour doing that.
yeah, that was a while.
Yeah. So
But look what we just drew. Look what I just drew.
she hung it
And
up
she
on
just drew this.
Mm.
It's so good.
yeah. And then we both just did this.
Yeah, so John Cook. Like, that's not
John Cook.
Cook. I said
Okay.
John Cook.
And then yeah, so we did clean up the room.
Yeah.
A lot.
And
And it
we
looks
did-
like very clean. We did some TikToks this
She's
morning.
way taller than me, but trust me, I'm the same age as her.
Yeah, she's the
We're
same.
both 13. I'm
Okay,
just short.
yeah. So you
a
might
short
see my
person.
old videos, which was like very weird and
I wasn't even
cringy.
in her videos because the thing is, I'm her cousin / friend.
Yeah.
Because,
Yeah, that's
yeah,
That's the
we
story.
can't really get into detail with that. Because it might be inappropriate for YouTube.
yeah, and we might get demonetized. Anyways,
Wait, what is this?
hand
Spray it on my
sanitizer.
My
But
hands, and it smells like
today-
lemons.
Yeah, and
Wait, smell my hands.
we're gonna
Okay.
do our hair and makeup for the day.
I already did some makeup, but I don't think it's. I'm just gonna redo it. So let's turn on the light.
Yes. Turn on the light.
Do you have these still? But these aren't working.
Yeah, they don't work. Okay. I'm just gonna put my hair in a ponytail again. I just wanted to make it better, you know, because it was really bad.
My hair is crazy, but who cares? Well, not really crazy, but. Ew.
So yeah.
I brush my hair so quick and it hurts so badly. And then I just put it.
I'm done hair. And now
Her hair is so long. My hair's so short.
and don't look at it.
I really like it long. Wait, switch hair. Wait.
Switch hair. That's her hair now. It's not my hair. Anyways, let's do my makeup now. No. Oh, well, it's fine. I'm not gonna use foundation because I don't like how it feels.
I love
But she is, so I'm gonna move it down.
on my face. There's a mirror right here that I'm using. And her drink is in the way. I have to sit on my knees. Ew.
It's all right.
I touched that.
Okay.
Okay. I'm putting this down on the floor. Because that's where I'm doing my makeup.
Okay, well, she's doing her makeup on the floor.
Because there's no room for me to sit.
I'm doing my makeup.
Can I have a camera?
I'm using it.
I want to show them my makeup.
After I'm
I see your
almost
makeup
done.
almost every day.
No, I never do my
Hurry.
makeup on this thing. Hold on. I'm almost done anyway, so it's fine. Okay.
Sister.
What?
You would call me a sister. I'm not your sister.
I said I'm almost done.
Oh,
I
I
didn't say
said
sister. Okay. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of eyeshadow. I'm
Sister.
okay.
Just hurry up.
Now I'm just doing.
Just so you know, she never takes this long to do her makeup. She
No, I
just
never
takes
take long at
today.
all. I'm not taking long. I literally just started on my makeup and I'm already on my eyes. Girl, you're so impatient.
My face has chocolate all over it. I can't get the chocolate out. So that's why I'm covering my
Okay, I'm
face
done.
with foundation. Okay. Fine. Mine now. Okay.
So I'm
Um,
done with my makeup.
This is a mirror that I'm using.
Just did.
Oh, I can see myself. You can see you. This is a mirror that I'm using.
I literally
Nah.
just did it really fast. God, natural makeup.
But, sorry. I just needed a little fun moment over there.
Do nail polish.
Because, yeah, she can have clear nail polish. Oh, you can see yourself. Oh, maybe. I don't know. Oh, there you go. Right? Okay. You saw yourself. Okay. Now we're going to do my makeup, so I'm going to start off with this. I need the Beauty Blender. Okay, I'm using this. But first I'm going to put my hair up. So watch. I'm just winging it, so I got it. This is my scrunchie, by the way, not hers. And I went in the lake with it, so I probably have lake water in my hair, but who cares? So, I'm just doing dots on the places that I want it. This is freezing, literally. So, we're teenagers, since we're 13. This has brown on it. 4, 3, 5, 4, 5, go. I have no clue what I'm singing, 'cause I don't speak Spanish. Do, 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 do. I don't know what I'm singing, but I just said a word that just came out of my mouth, and I have no clue what I just said. Blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna try her hair. Why can't I? Mine looks literally like a little weird because I did put a little foundation on before the fire, even though it would probably burn off, but who cares? So yeah, and then I just have one spot left. It's called my forehead. And I'll
Called my forehead.
put it on my eyeballs, not eyebrows. Now I'm done with that, so I'll be back. I'm gonna use. What do I want? Oh.
Not that one. It's this one. That one's for the blush.
Whoops, daisies. Wrong thing. Now I'm gonna put some of this brown on the side for bronzer. Uh-oh.
Contour.
Now this might not look good. Who cares? I don't really care because I'm not a makeup artist. But I mean, sure, it looks okay. I look like a kid that's abandoned on the streets. My makeup, look. I'm going to try to cover this up. It will cover up. Hopefully. And then I'm just gonna all over my face because it feels good. Okay, now I'm done with that. I'm not gonna do any blush because I did that earlier too. I look funny with a bun. This is
Time to prep my toes.
I'm taking her lip gloss and putting it on. I'm gonna
I'm
find
gonna
one.
get down there too, so I can do my toes.
That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna do clear because she said her hands feel soft after that, and I want my hands soft. So I'm doing
my hands, my fingers, and my toes. I'm gonna do my toes too.
It doesn't really look like it's good. Who cares? And then, actually, why did I put that on? I don't want that on anymore. I'll wipe it with my dirty clothes. But it actually come off. Okay. I'm gonna try this light pink because this looks like it's just a random color that I found. And it literally is like a... Never used this on.
Okay, I'm done.
Well, I've never put this on before.
So
Do I
I'm
look
done. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm done with myself. Don't forget to put lip gloss on with it too. So it will come off easier.
Will you give me some lip gloss?
I'm just gonna do chapstick because it's easier.
Last night we were pretending that we were working at a hair salon, just
Last
practicing for our job.
Yeah.
We don't even work yet. But yeah, like I said, I probably look short, but I'm 13. We're gonna go get her dad a new phone.
Soon, and then we're gonna
Drop me off.
drop me off at my house, my mom's house.
And then I'm gonna be dropped off at my house.
I'm gonna go put this up. Can I?
Huh?
Can I put the mirror up? No.
Yes.
Okay.
But we're gonna ask if we can go to the Dollar General. But yes, they were saying yes. They were saying yes, for ice cream, but then we started to do s'mores. So we don't know what they're gonna say, and we're scared.
They said no, but we
Yeah. We're scared though because we want them to say yes. I'm doing clear. So
we're going to stop the video for a while so we can because this video will be too long if our morning routine will be too long if we make it this long. So
we're doing our day routine.
yeah.
I just did one hand because that's just.
If we make it this long, so yeah. Bye. For
See
a
you
little
guys
bit,
later.
just for a little bit.
Bye.
Right, guys, we're done. So now
we're gonna go downstairs. So let's go. But yes, we're gonna go downstairs.
because we're done.
My hair. Should I take it down or leave it up? I'm just gonna.
What are you going to do?
I'm gonna. My nails weren't dry yet. Okay, I'm good. I'm good now. Okay, yeah. Let me see. I need to see if I'm good now. Alright, I am good. Good. Good and new as can be. Her phone stays up like this and it's so cool. Hello. It's so cool. Wait, does it do it on the side? Oh, I thought that was on the side. No. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up like she's doing in a little bun. Actually, I think I like it like this.
Oh, mine is like this. Look, Quincy, it's pretty cute, actually. Hold on, I gotta use this for something. So so I can see the back of my hair. Huh, I actually like it. It's actually really cute.
Now let's go. Let's go. We're excited. Oh God, I almost fell. I think it's just Josh down here. It's just Josh. Oh, wow. Are you emptying and loading?
Yes.
How long did that take you?
Yes.
About 20 minutes because we've been up there for 20 minutes. We've been up there for 20 minutes.
Okay, let's go back upstairs.
So 20 minutes.
We want to go back upstairs because
There's literally nothing to do.
yeah. I don't know why I choose to go downstairs.
Why did they go downstairs in the first place?
I don't even know. I thought there was something fun to do down there. Like maybe play with Josh, but he's
Anyways.
busy as can be. Yay.
But that's, I guess, our morning routine
Yeah.
and day routine mixed together.
Yeah.
Because it is now 12 o'clock.
So,
So it is
yeah.
not morning
and
anymore.
I'm about to leave, so that's what we normally do when we have sleepovers. Okay, so bye.